Hi YouTube family, welcome to Come Get Your Nibble On. Now right now I'm going to be doing a short for you. So come on, let's get started. Today I'm making my famous mac and cheese egg rolls. You're going to need some egg roll wraps. And I don't know if you know how to wrap an egg roll, but I'm going to show you right now. You're going to triangle your wrap. You're going to use, with the mac and cheese, you're going to use mac and cheese. You can use leftover mac and cheese. You can do a stovetop, but if you do a stovetop, you're going to have to refrigerate it until the next day because you want to kind of get your mac and cheese incorporated together because it's hard to wrap the egg roll if the macaroni and cheese is loose. So you're going to use a couple of spoons. And we're going to kind of shape it like an egg roll because it'll be easier to wrap. You don't want to make it too full because it's hard to wrap. We're using large mac and cheese. You can use small, whatever you want. So, and we're going to pull it over because we want to seal it. So we're going to pull it over, but not all the way up. And this is an egg wash. We're using egg and water. So we're going to take the egg wash and we're going to kind of seal it because we want it to stick so we can close it up. So you're going to put a little egg wash on it. And then we're going to bring over our wrap and try to fold it under because we're going to wrap it. So we're sealing it. We want to get that mac and cheese in there because we don't want it coming out when it's cooking. So once we get it in, we're going to roll it tight as we can. And then we're going to seal it. And we're going to deep fry it for maybe 3 minutes until it's golden brown. And that's your finished product. And I'm going to show you, we already have some done, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. And there's your mac and cheese egg roll. Bon appetit.